In this video, we'll deploy the Agile Embeddable widget for a client. First, we set the environment variables, which include the API keys, URL, and the assistant ID to access our LangGraph backend. We can see that the chatbot is able to pull the backend and get answers through RAG. It can even display images. The next step is to deploy on AWS. For that, we first create a private repository on Amazon ECR. I've created a simple script to push our Docker image to the ECR. Alternatively, we can also have a similar process in GitHub Actions. Now that we have the image on ECR, let's go through the Terraform script that will spin up the AWS architecture. First, we configure the profile of the account we want, as well as the region. Then, we specify our ECR repository, as well as the task definition of our container on ECS, as well as any environment variables. Next, we use the Elastic Container Service configuration to host the container. Finally, we define an application load balancer, which listens at port 80 on the internet and points to our ECS task as the target group. Now we run the required Terraform commands to deploy this. After deployment, we get the load balancer's URL as the TNS. Now let's test this in production. It works as expected.